Hello my quilting friends, my name is Leah Day and welcome to this free motion quilting tutorial for lima beans. So this design starts out with this lima bean style shape. I guess you could also think of those as kind of like mushrooms, that would work too. And then all you're going to do once you form that shape is you're going to pivot and echo around it. And the emphasis is being on travel stitching just a little bit at where that shape begins. You see how that thread builds up a little bit there? That's what you want. That's going to make it special. Okay, so I've got a little bit of a weird area here in this corner, so I'm going to carefully travel stitch and then just swirl around this with an echo or two. Again, like I said, travel stitching, building up thread there, and then put just a few little curving lines in this area to fill it up too. If ever you're in doubt as to how to fill up a weird space, just put your hand on top of the design and break it down so that way you can see what that shape looks like whenever it's split in half or split in a quarter. And that is how you're going to fill in the rest of the space. Okay, so now I'm going to swing out and come out with another lima bean style shape. Swirl around. You notice that I speed up when I do that? I can put my foot down as I'm forming that initial shape. Now I'm going to go a little slower as I travel stitch and then echo around it. Echoing is one of those things that you really want to gain the skill for with free motion quilting. It allows you to stitch a perfectly spaced even line all the way around it parallel. But it's going to take some practice, and I think a design like lima bean, even if you're a little bit wiggly wobbly and you get a little close, like right here I'm getting a little closer than I want to, that's okay. I think it's still going to end up looking great. Learn more about the sewing machine I'm using in this video at leahday.com/sew20.